Good morning. Thought we'd give a quick walk through it as to what's happening at Bushtracker this morning. So let's go for a little wander. So here's the van that's going out today. That's a 21 footer. It's going to get noisy. So let's head off into shed 1 and have a look. Hello?
Hello, mate.
Here we go. So here's shed 1. You can see we've got a couple of vans here being insulated and cladded. Looking across. Another 3 there. That one that Wayne's working on there, that's our next show van for the June caravan show. You'll have to keep your eye out on that one. Walking back out here, we've got our service vans, so a couple of vans in for service, you can see. Brakes and bearings being serviced there, rims off. Coming across, and here's our next van getting ready for delivery, so it'll be going out later on. You can see production order number 2, that's going out later this week. Walking through into shed 2. These vans are a bit further along, getting their cladding, obviously waiting on windows. Coming across, another van in for a bit of work, and our plumbing and electrical bays here. So this is where all the plumbing work happens. Walking down over here. Hey Jared, how you going? Here's our electrical bay. So essentially you can see all the electrical gear ready to go. Scaffolding's about to head off. So this van's only just come in. You can see there's no actual wiring on that one yet. Walk back out this way, on our way out to shed number 3. So here's where the cabinetry and the framework happens. G'day Howard. So if I walk you into here, you'll see here's our cabinetry area. Always working hard. Hey boys. And then looking over here, here's our welding area. Now the welding's happening behind screen, so you won't actually see that. But you can see we're just starting to lay the frames up on that one, on the trailer, and obviously building a roof there for it as well. So that's all one-piece composite floor on that. You can see that there. Walking back outside. So that's today. That's what's happening here at Bushtracker. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you again soon.